Good job, y'all. Look good. Woo! That was badass, buddy. Yata! Oh, there you are. Oh, Yamaha! I heard that Jesus would moto Yamaha.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, that's what.
Who are you scaring?
I can spin these tires. Out of here? Oh shit. She's about to go. We're about to winch her out. Come on, Yanta. Oh, damn. Oh, fuck.
I told her to do it.
Fuck. You paddling?
He told me to do it.
You,
That's all it takes.
That's all it takes? Oh my god.
I'll try it over to him.
You gonna try it too? Okay. Oh, how do I do this thing again?
Yeah, I don't know.
Both buttons?
I'll give it to you.
Ah.
See, I wasn't crazy. I knew it was
Gotcha. She said, Carl told me to do it. And I was looking at her, she's like, that's all it takes. She's like, that's all it takes.
Do I need to pull up?
No, a little bit, yeah, come up a little bit. That's good right there. Oh no! Sergio! Work it, buddy! Let me get out the way. Oh, you got it in neutral. You got it in neutral, right? And brakes on? Brake on neutral?
Not neutral.
That way it doesn't bind up the gears.
I got it neutral.
Okay, just hold the brakes down. Ready? Ciao, Yanta.
I'm gonna take the Honda.
Don't even ask him. Oh, God. Are you scared? Are you scared?
I don't want them whining there.
Oh, you don't want them whining. Oh, okay.
I don't want to hear them all cold. I need my family to take more.
Oh.
My heater in my camper doesn't work. It's broken.
Listen. I only have 3 bars of gas, so we can't stay out too long.
We're not too far from camp. So you were just saying is you want to use up all that gas right now?
Yeah.
Is that what you're saying? Is that what you're saying? Maybe. Here. How do I turn this off, Carl? How do I turn it off?
No, it shuts off.
Okay.
It'll shut off.
Okay. Are you? So you're gonna try it? You're gonna try it? She wants to try it.
We're gonna try it again.
What's that?
We're trying it again, but in mud mode.
But in mud
We're
mode.
in trail mode, that's why.
Oh, is that why?
He says that's why.
Oh my God! Here, let her try it real quick. Then we'll just swap out. The Can-Am had a shot. Now it's time for the Poolers.
It's trail mode. We gotta put it in mud mode.
What does mud mode do?
Hey, where's your dog so I don't get it?
She's over there.
Because I hit Nathan.
All right. Watch out. She's gonna try to gun it. The Razor. Oh shit. Oh shit.
Hey, the turbo razor. What?
That's it. Pusher.
Yeah, like sideways.
Was it the spark plug? I was getting all excited.
Whoa.
I was getting all excited. Saw the goggles coming on and everything. Yeah. Oh, well, no, I mean, pull it backwards. Yeah. What happens?
I don't know, I didn't hit it hard enough.
We didn't hit it hard enough.
Oh, Lord. Good gosh.
I think we can try again.
The Can-Am's gonna try next, and if y'all want to try again,
I think we need to try again.
oh my God.
Get out of there, buddy. Yeah, I think we're gonna try again.
Damn. How y'all doing? Y'all having a good Thanksgiving?
Yeah.
All right. You had to, at least once.
Thanksgiving ever.
So what?
The best Thanksgiving ever.
It just started for you, didn't it?
Yeah. I just woke up.
She said she's hungry now.
Are you hungry?
Dude, I'm so lucky I have someone up with more bands.
Oh shit. All right, come on, backwards. Backwards, yeah.
I would have been at some
Easy. Oh, that's perfect. That's perfect. Look at that happy family right there. One big happy family. And I said, look at that happy family.
Tom, we should have done a 6-seater right there.
Shoot, a 6-seater. They,
The opposite. Oh, come on.
oh wow. That's a lot of mud.
Yeah, for the axle.
Shoot. I'm just gonna keep my foot here. I don't think anybody's gonna make it past here, so.
I don't know. Hello. I brought it to you.
Oh, thank you, buddy. I ain't going through that. The water, that's for the water. But I don't like to go in water either. I think that was the sketchiest water I've ever been in.
Yeah.
I don't
You freaking got on one wheel.
yeah. I don't do that. I don't like deep water.
I like the water that runs like flat.
Yeah, exactly. All that power.
Banging gears.
Well, don't break it again. Damn. Those 31s. Woo!
You like them tires? Them
I
tires
love
are good.
yeah, they're awesome. They pull good too. Oh, you got it stuck? Okay, there you go. You embarrassed me. Oh, she going again.
Going again?
She wasn't in mud mode.
Yeah.
She was in trail mode. Well, I'm gonna get closer this time, so.
Lower it. Get over that way.
Oh!
Is that farther? Probably not. Yeah, I think it was.
Oh, shoot. It went down my waders.
I'll pull you forward. There was a foot on it that disappeared.
Oh.
Hey, she made it farther than Debbie did.
Oh, shoot. Debbie, you gonna let her make it further than you like that?
Stop for a second.
Let me see it. Oh my God. You gotta send that to me too. Is my Hey, you almost pulled me in. Is my camera clean?
Yeah.
Damn, that's that new waterproof screen. Shit.
Beads off of it.
Beads right down.
I thought you needed a bath.
Damn, what are you trying to say? God dang. Okay. Oh, he thinks the little Can-Am can pull it out.
Oh, Honda and Yamaha.
Pretty much the same thing.
Are you? Oh, sh.
Hey, did you turn the screen?
Am I recording?
She's not.
Yeah, it's locked.
Let me see. Yeah, you are. My recording. That's.
I told her don't lose control of it. Like,
Oh yeah.
Three.
Oh yeah.
we'll go pretty straight.
Yeah, be ready to. I mean, I doubt it's gonna get out of the ruts, but
Get over the ruts.
no, she might. Yeah, they're pretty deep.
Jace, get out.
It's locked.
It's off.
Jace.
She'll be like, I'm cold, lady. Wrong way, stop.
Whoa, go, hold on. No, go ahead.
That's out.
That's out.
No, that's it.
Okay.
All right, what's?
I was gonna say, 'cause it's going out. It's going. Oh, it's broken. There it goes. Ah, did you just have to? Did you see that?
Something's wrong up under the dash.
What is this, like an old Chevy or something? What's that? Yeah. Oh, look at that! Yamaha powered. Whoa! Just a big old wall of mud. Damn! Woo! Yeah, it's gonna make. Hey,
Look at all that mud.
hey, you're gonna make it now. No, seriously, because they just cleared it all out.
Alright, well, I'm gonna ramp it.
Fuck!
Don't hurt yourself. Is all I'm saying.
He loves you.
Jace, you need to move. Get your stuff and get up out of the way.
Get behind a tree or something.
No, get out of the way.
Oh yeah.
My thumb.
They might want to move.
Oh yeah.
Get out of the. Hello.
Damn. He verbally abuses his son. Don't bring him no water. Just gets beer.
Only beer. That's good.
Hey, y'all better watch out too, cause she's gonna full throttle it.
Hang on.
Yeah, don't kill them yet.
I just saw you disappear and you're just.
You got showered or what?
Oh yeah. It's all down my waders.
Hey, we'll fix to have a title break.
I know. I'm not gonna stick that close this time.
I love the dog.
What are they doing? Are they fighting?
No, they're probably gonna walk over there. I keep going around.
Like Ivan Drago says, if they die, they die.
You get the runway.
Shit. I don't think I still don't think it's gonna make it all the way through, but I could be wrong.
Depends how fast you
Hey, watch those four-wheelers too.
Get us flash 8.
Come here, Anta. Come on, over here. Damn! That looked cool as hell. Oh, shit! Anybody get wet?
Yeah.
Ay, cabrón! Ay! Yeah, I got it.
Did we get further?
I think you got about the same. Can you come out on the winch?
Oh, sorry.
Hold the two buttons down from out. Oh, the other way. It's still on.
Okay, so
Go out. Other way. There it is. That was a huge tidal wave. That looked awesome. Hey, Nate, can you get a picture of me and my fin trails in here? I'm gonna put it on my shoulder like I'm working.
Pull it out.
That look was priceless. Now help me out of here.
Come on, Santa Claus.
That's
That's a good one right there.
what I'm talking about. Hell yeah.
Just a little bit of a gut though, but we can Photoshop.
So that's just the quarantine 15, buddy.
That shows that they fit.
Exactly. They got expandability capabilities. Whew. That's that Thanksgiving panza.
Slowly turn your tires.
I'm disappointed in you, Debbie.
Huh?
I'm disappointed in you.
I know, man. I didn't hit it hard enough.
Oh my God. You need to put some of those paddle tires on there. Yeah, that's a lot of mud.
Yeah, nobody was making that.
Damn. Hell yeah. Hey, this is a Thanksgiving ride right here, y'all. I'm having a good time. You're good. Whoa! Take it easy, buddy.
That liquid courage is a hell of a thing. I need by you. I need another one.
You bring it in? What is that? Oh, nice. You going in?
What?
You going in?
Oh, no. No, I'm just standing here.
I saw you had it in your hand. I was like, damn, it's not working? Where my bike at now? Did you hide it in the woods or what?
Yeah, it's burned.
It's burned. I gotta go wash my filthy hands. Since someone splashed me. Hell. What's that?
It's like pretty hard to shift the gears.
Shoot. Ooh, woohoo! Everybody settle down. This has been a good ride, Wayne. Oh, it's been a real good. Damn, we're almost out of water. I thought everybody's making fun of me for having my little thing out here, and now everybody's using it. You need some water too? Oh, get underneath my hand so we can maximize the. Yeah, it is cold. Should put hot water in here, buddy. You son of a bitch. Oh, I'm good. I'm good. That's all. I just wanted a little bit off.